Hi, it's Fias Taro. Hello, collectives. Okay, so love reading again and again and again. Oh, so long time no read, di ba? Oo. So yeah, the person on your mind. So ito muna. Tsaka tayo bumalik sa normal nating mga reading, no? Yung zodiac per zodiac. So, collectives muna. So, again, syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo naging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And yes, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading sa ating mga items, okay, we have protection from evil eye, meron tayong granter, okay, meron tayong for love, okay, bracelet, okay, and yung ating cord cut, pang cord cut sa mga hindi na magagandang energies, okay, na talagang nakaparinduan, okay, so yun ang tinatanggal ng mga cord cutting, okay, sa cord cutting. Anyway, so let's start the reading. So enough with the talking. So yeah, again, if you're interested na magpa-reading kay Perception of Light, message lang kayo sa kanya pong FB page, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Dingsi naman po, okay? So, message lang kayo kung hindi nyo mahanap yung kanilang mga pages, ibibigay po namin, okay? Sa message, okay? Wag po sa comment. Oo, hindi namin makikita yan sa sobrang po daming nagme-message. Na sobrang daming nagko-comment. Sa message na lang po, okay? So, pwede namin may isa-isa yon. Okay. Anyway, so let's start our reading for you collectives. So this is for January, okay? Bibigyan ko to ng timeline. This is for January. So the person on your mind, okay. So who's the person on your mind, collectives? Anong meron sa kanya? Sino ba yung iniisip mo? Anong meron sa kanya? Tingnan natin. Okay, ano ba ang kanyang energy? Who is this? The Two of Chalices. So, pwedeng nakakita ka ng strong connection with that person. Okay? So, Two of Chalices. Anong meron pa dyan? The Four of Pentacles. Some of you, itong taong to, they're hiding their true feelings. Okay. Ang nakikita ko dito, this is mutual. Pareho ko yung nararamdaman, pero I don't know. Hindi ko nakikita na nag-open up yung parehong side. This is like holding back emotions for each other. Pwede itong taong to nag-hold back ng emotion for you. Okay. Some of them, they're not open. They're not open pagdating sa emosyon. Iba sa kanila, may chance na itong taong to is may naramdaman to, pero hindi niya binibigyang pansin. There's something specific. Some of them, may pagkakuripot, okay? Another message yun from universe. Itong person na to may pagkakuripot. I don't know why. I don't know. Some of them kasi pwedeng maraming struggles, kaya sila itong closed off. Then, lalo na pagdating sa pera, andyan yung pagiging practical. Okay? The Nine of Chalices universe. Marami itong pinagdaanan actually. I don't know kung alam mo yun, pero ayun ang nakukuha ko sa energy niya. Yung iba sa kanila, talagang yung pagiging kuripot nila, no? Yung pagiging kuripot niya, nasa tama naman. May dahilan siya. Kaya siya nagiging kuripot. Anyway. So, ano bang meron sa situation ninyo, collectives? Anong meron? This is mutual. Yeah. Ano ba ang situation ninyo. Nitong taong to, collectives. Anong meron sa sitwasyon ninyo? Let's see. The Two of Wands. Whether, may narinig akong ganyan ha. Whether, I don't know kung anong meron. Some of you, malayo kayo sa isa't isa nito. There's this distance gap. Okay? Age, location, whatsoever. What's with this Two of Wands? Two of Wands. Alam niyo yun, like, kahit malayo kayo sa isa't isa, pero yeah, parang pakaramdam mo, naramdaman mo kung anong meron sa kanya, something like, bigla lang siyang papasok sa utak mo, mga ganong bagay. May ganun. Okay, pagdating sa inyo. Yeah, the King of Chalices. Yung emotion, yun ang magkakonect sa inyo. Pero yung situation, I don't think so. Yung emosyon nyo is pareho. Kung anong nararamdaman mo for this person, ganun din yung nararamdaman niya for you. This is mutual. Napansin ko lang, okay, itong Wands. Kahit there's, kahit mayroong distansya, kung makikita nyo, magkakonect to. Okay? It's like soul. The Two of Cups. This is soul. Contract. Soulmate. Some of you. This is a strong connection. Okay? I would tell. Soulmate. Sabihin natin, strong connection. Malakas ang emosyon dito. Pero yeah, they're holding back. Let's see. Tingnan natin, check natin. Bakit siya nag-hold back? What's with this Four of Pentacles? They're trying to hide their true feelings. What's with this Four of Pentacles? What are they hiding? Anong dahilan? Why are they holding back? The Three of Pentacles. Expectations from other people, maybe sa mga sasabihin, I don't know. Some of them, they're just too busy working on their responsibilities, mga ganyan. Yeah, hindi pa niya kayang bigyang pansin or bigyang focus itong inyo. Kung anong meron sa kanya, yes, may nararamdaman siya for you actually. Pero hindi niya yun ginagawang sabihin nating priority. Okay? This is not their priority. Soul recognition maybe, soul ties. You're hiding din naman yung feelings mo for this one, I think. Yung iba sa inyo pwedeng nagkikita kayo sa workplace or somewhere na pwedeng madalas kayong nagkakasama. Pwedeng ganan yung situation ng iba sa inyo. Yeah, andyan yung distance pero there's this specific area or specific place na pwedeng nagkikita kayo, no? Pwedeng magkatrabaho kayo or magkaklase kayo or yeah. There's this same environment na pinupuntahan nyo. Okay? Yeah. Some of you talagang kailangan nyo mag-connect ng taong to. Collectives, kailangan nyo mag-connect nitong taong to. Yeah, because, yeah, some of you have past life connection with this person. Yeah, this is a strong connection. Let's see. What is their emotion? Oo, diba? Yeah, this is mutual. If you love them, if you want them, yeah, same lang. Pero tingnan natin, ano ba talaga deep down? What is their true emotion for you? Collectives. Think of your person. Think of that specific person. What is their emotion for you? What is their specific emotion for you, collectives. The Page of Swords in reverse, you're always on their mind. Okay, like iniisip ng tao to, some of them, they're stalking you. Yeah. Pwedeng mapapansin mo itong taong to. Kung nagkakasama nga kayo sa isang environment, makikita mo nakatitig sa'yo or mahuli mo nakatingin sa'yo. Okay? Nandyan yung curiosity ng person pagdating sa'yo. Yeah. Interest. Okay, interest. Page of Swords in reverse. Yeah, the Six of Chalices. Oh my God. Soul recognition. Yeah. Alam mo yung pakaramdam na parang, parang nakita ko na siya. Parang kakilala ko siya. Parang may ganun na effect. Very interested sa'yo actually. They are. Talagang mahilig tong masdan ka. Mga pababae, mga palalaki ko naman ang gender niya, hilig niyang pagmasdan ka. Across the room. Yeah. Familiarity. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you're always in their head. You're living in their head rent-free. You are living in their head rent-free. Yeah. Some of them, they're afraid to approach you. May mga ganyan si person. Pero lagpas pa sa 100%. Okay? Yung nakikita ko sa kanya talaga na palagi kanyang iniisip. Curious siya sa'yo. Hindi niya alam. Some of them, they're just like tulog. Okay? Dito sa connection nyo na to. This is a strong connection. Again, soul recognition, soul ties, past life connection. Kaya ganyan. Maaari na nagkita na kayo, nagkasama na kayo nito sa past life ninyo. That is why there's this familiarity. Yeah. Anyway, let's see. What is their next action towards you, collectives? So we have here a lot of air. Gemini, Libra, Aqua. Earth sign. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn. And the water. And a little bit of fire. Anyway, this could be any sign. Let's see. Their next action towards you this January. Ano bang meron? Their next action towards you. Anong next action niya towards you, collectives? Puro swords. Next action ng person na iniisip mo. I'll get this. Again, the Seven of Swords. So, another sword. This is ito yung parang energy niya is like hiding, being silent, tiptoe. Okay? So, ano bang meron sa Seven of Swords na yan? That is hiding something. What's that? Anong tinatago or anong itatago nila? Anong meron? Secrets. Okay? Death. Oh, alam nyo, collectives, wala siyang gagawin. Okay? The Knight of Pentacles, wala siyang gagawin. Kung ano man yung mga nararamdaman niya patungkol sa'yo, i-hide lang niya yun hanggang saan? Hanggang dulo. Pababayaan lang niya to. I'm sorry sa mga nag-expect na mag-express to ng something for you. Wala akong nakikita. Why? I don't know. Kanya-kanya. Why death? Tatago na lang niya to. Tatago na lang niya. They're too afraid. Yeah, nakakatakot naman talaga ang mga ganitong connection. Overwhelming. What's this death? The Nine of Chalices in reverse. Some of them, they have this I don't know, like takot silang maiiwan, takot silang hindi, yeah. Takot silang ma-attach actually. Takot silang ma-attach. Takot silang maiwan. So, tingnan natin. Kasi nakuha ko rito, kung nag-uusap man kayo nitong taong to, hindi nyo na ilalabas yung totoong emosyon. Pero sa mga hindi pa nag-uusap, sa mga hindi pa nagkakaroon ng conversation with this person, let's see. Tama ba na ikaw collectives ang mag-approach? Tingnan natin. Tama ba na ang collectives ang mag-approach dito sa person na to? The King of Swords. That's yes. That's saying yes. Para saan itong King of Swords? And the King of Pentacles. This is being casual. Casual. Yeah. Sinasabi na, yeah, pwede na mag-approach, mag-reach out if ever, pero just be casual. No emotions involved. Iba sa inyo, same gender. Same gender yung iba sa inyo. Okay? Walang pinipili. Walang pinipiling gender ang soulmate, ang twin flame. Walang pinipili yan, okay? Hindi kapag sinabing soulmate, dapat babae, lalaki. No. We're talking about soul here. We're talking about energies. And sa tarot, wala ditong gender. So, kung makikita ko na same gender, may chance na babanggitin ko naman. So, depende sa energy na nakukuha. Sinasabi rin naman kasi ng card na, pare-pareho kasi This person likes you. They like you. So, wala namang mangyari kahit gusto ka niya kung wala naman siyang gagawin, di ba? They're just too afraid. Too afraid. So, may chance, yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi nga kayo nagkakaroon ng conversation or communication ng taong to, ikaw mismo collectives. Ikaw collectives, ang kailangan mong gumawa ng way para magkaroon kayo or may mag-start na conversation sa inyong dalawa. Pero again, no emotions involved. Ayun ang sinasabi. No emotions involved dapat. Casual. Okay? So, tingnan natin. Collectives. Ano ba? Ang advice. So, kunin yung advice, yung isa kong sinabi. Ano pa? Advice from universe. Pagdating dyan sa connection nyo na yan. Or dito sa situation na ito. Anong advice for you? Collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Advice. The Four of Wands in reverse. See, this is a strong connection. Yeah. Four of Wands in reversed. Don't settle. Don't settle. Ten of Swords. Days of Swords. So, sinasabi rito, yeah, may chance ng communication sa inyo. Pero, the Eight of Swords is here. Meron pa rin eh. Like, sa past life connection ninyo, sa past life ninyong pareho, merong mga issue na hindi pa na-fix. So, hanggang ngayon, dala-dala, may chance na hindi pa rin talaga maging okay. Yung magiging kalalabasan ng connection, if ever. Okay, there's no chance of relationship. Okay. Sa ngayon, para sa inyong dalawa, better luck next lifetime. O, diba? Anyway, so advice, again, don't settle. Don't settle, don't expect too much, too big. Just open the line of communication. Okay, hindi naman sinabi na masamang makipag-usap. And yet, yes, ang sinabi rin is, don't get too attached. Para na rin sa'yo yun. Para na rin sa'yo yun, collectives. Kasi kapag na-attach ka dito, yes, this is a strong one. Strong connection. Ma-attach ka talaga dito. So, you have to control your emotions. Lilipas din to. Dadaan lang. Kasi this is a failed connection muli. Reconnection, maybe. Nagtagpo lang kayo nito muli. Pero, yes. I don't know. May kanya-kanyang issue. Kaya hindi muli magiging successful. So, yeah, inaasahan ko na rin naman na, yes, pwedeng ma-attach yung iba sa inyo. Pero, again, hanggat maaari, bigyan ng limit. Bigyan na rin ng limit yung sarili. Ayaw rin naman nating masaktan. Pero yes, kung gusto mong masaktan, go. Go. Kung gusto mong i-experience, kung anong meron dito, go. Diba? Yeah, we have free will. Yeah, so yun ang aking nakikita. Dito sa inyo. Kumusta naman? O, diba? So, tayo tumungo sa all signs. Don't you worry, babalik tayo sa normal reading natin per zodiac and sa all signs. So, medyo busy lang ang person. Busy lang sa mga gawain. Okay, sana naiintindihan. So, all signs again. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for always supporting. O, diba? So, yeah. All signs are through Pisces for your collectives. Yeah, this is for the zodiac sign you're dealing with. Let's see. If you're connecting with an Aries, walang magandang plano. Okay? Wala silang magandang plano. Some of them, they're stuck. Iba sa inyo, kung past mo to or ex, gusto nilang bumalik. Hindi pa sila nakaka-move on. Taurus, there's these blockages in general. May mga mensahe na hindi rin masabi. Gemini, they're hiding something. This is the cheater. I'm sorry, this is the liar. Yeah, marami silang, like, etong si Gemini, para siyang may filter, no, sa mga sinasabi niya sa'yo. Like, kung anong kailangan mo lang malaman, kung anong kailangan mo lang marinig, yun lang. Yeah, para niyang sinasala yung mga mensahe. Anyway, so, Cancer, if they want to communicate, they want communication with you. Some of them, gusto nila mag-start ng panibago. Yeah. Facing new things, facing new beginnings. Yeah, parang ganyan. Maybe sa inyong dalawa. Leo. No effort. Some of them, kailangan mo nang hindi bigyan ng oras, pansin, effort, kung ano man. Yeah. Nawawala na rin naman ng sigla. Parang ganyan. Virgo, they're the player. I'm sorry. The player. They're not serious. Some of them, they just want with you. Okay? So, Libra, balancing, practicality. Being responsible. Some of them, they're just busy. Being busy. Some of them, ito iba sa kanila, pwedeng ginagawa nilang escape yung kanilang work, if ever, business, kung ano man, something. I don't know kung anong tinataguan nila. Kasi parang gumagawa sila ng paraan para makascape sa kung ano. Scorpio, they're manifesting you. They want communication maybe. They want control over you, some of them. Sagittarius, they feel hopeless. Surrendering. Yeah, they're not healed. Capricorn. So, I think gagawa ng action si Capricorn. Yeah. And this is like no plans. Parang walang plano, like biglaan, something like that. Aqua. Hot and cold. Okay. Kind of aloof. Some of them, they're hiding something. That's why. They have secrets. Pisces. Being patient. Some of them, they're just waiting for you to reply. That's so specific. They're waiting for you to reply. They're waiting for you to read their messages. Some of them. Okay, they're just patiently waiting for you. Patiently waiting. Nandun yung energy ni Pisces na para siyang nag-stalk sa'yo. Pero some of them, they're using dummy account. Some of them. Okay, kumukuha ng mensahe from other people, nakikibalita, nakikichismis, mga ganon. They have still. Andun yung emosyon niya for you. Yeah. They want you back. I don't know. They want you back. They want you. Yeah, okay? So there. Yeah, yun ang aking reading for you, collectives. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.